James, hello, my name is James. What's your name? Jennifer, my name is Jennifer. Nice to meet you, James. James, nice to meet you. What's your last name? Jennifer, it's Mohammed, and you? James, it's Snyder. Jennifer, what are you doing for living? James, I'm a doctor. What's your job? Jennifer, I'm a teacher. James, how old are you? Jennifer, I'm 20 years old, and you? James, I'm 24 years old. Jennifer, what's your favorite sport? James, it's football, and you? Jennifer, I like swimming. James, I can't swim. Jennifer, I will teach you, James. James, that's very nice. Jennifer, what's your telephone number? James, it's 1234567 and yours? Jennifer, it's 87654332. James, can I speak to you and your family tomorrow? Jennifer, of course we will wait you. James, that's great, see you soon. Jennifer, okay, see you soon, James.
James, can I speak to you and your family tomorrow? Jennifer, of course we will wait you. James, that's great, see you soon. Jennifer, baby, see you soon, James. Nada, hi Hoda, it's nice to see you again. Hoda, I'm very nice to see you. How long it has been? Nada, it must be more than 2 months. Hoda, how are you? Nada, I'm fine. How about you?
Father, which one do you want? Girl, oh, I don't cunt. They are all cute. Father, well, it's time to go. Please make up your mind. Girl, okay. I'll take this one. Father, are you sure? Girl, yes, I am. Father, great. Let's get it. Girl, the cashier is over there.
Liz, that is a very lovely bouquet of flowers. Who is it for? Annie, these flowers are for my sister. Veronica. Today is her graduation day. Liz, it must have cost you a fortune. Annie, I paid $60 for it. Liz, that is expensive. Annie, yes, but it is worth it. My sister worked very hard for her degree over the last 4 years. Today is a very important day for her, and I want it to be special. Liz, that is very nice of you. I wish it is our graduation day also. Annie, another 3 years, and we will be done also. 3 years seems to be a long time. Yet, it is not too bad. Liz, where are they going to hold the graduation ceremony? Annie, the ceremony will be held on Upper Campus, near the library at 3 p.m. Liz, I believe the School of Business and the School of Engineering hold the same graduation ceremony. Annie, that will be a big ceremony. Imagine all the graduating students from both schools, along with their relatives and acquaintances. Liz, you better show up early, otherwise, there will not be a seat left for you. Annie, I better get a seat close to the stage if I want to get good pictures of my sister. Liz, I think all the seats up front are reserved for the graduating students. If you want to be close to the stage, you probably will have to stand close by. Annie, that will be good enough for me. I can snatch pictures of her when she walks by. Liz, the university always has at least 2 professional photographers to take pictures of the students when they go upstage for their diploma. Annie, yes, I heard that the photographers usually take a couple of pictures of each student, ordinarily, when the students receive their diploma, and when the school's president shakes their hands in congratulation. Liz, that will take care of the whole thing then. All the important moments will be captured on film. Annie, and after the ceremony, there will be plenty of time to take pictures of my sister with our family and her friends. Liz, the university store usually does not require the students to return their graduating gowns and caps right after the ceremony. Annie, yes, Veronica has the option of returning them the next day. Liz, she will be wearing a black gown and cap with a gold tassel, right? Annie, yes. I wonder how she will feel. She will probably be very excited, very happy, and also very relieved to be done with her studies for now. Liz, what do you mean by for now? Is she planning to pursue graduate studies? Annie, yes, but she plans to find a job first, and then she will go back to school for her master's degree. Liz, you mean she will work for a while, and then quit to go back to school full-time? Annie, no, she needs to work to support herself. She will work full-time and go to school part-time at night. Liz, it will be hard to hold a full-time job while going to school. Annie, I know it will not be easy, however, lots of people have done it. So, she can too. Liz, I am sure she will be able to do that. She is such a smart person, and hard-working too. Annie, I wish I am as disciplined as she is. Liz, have fun, Annie. Tell your sister that I send my best wishes. Annie, thanks. Bye, Liz. Liz, bye, Annie.